If the heater in your 2026 Kia Niro is not working, and by that I mean that you don't have any air blowing out whatsoever, or AC, that might mean that your blower motor is out. If no air can blow out no matter what you put it on, that's probably a problem that your blower is not getting power for some reason. So go under the hood to check the relay. After you open the hood, look for this panel right here on the far right. There's two snaps, click them up, and then the whole panel can remove. Here is your chart for what everything corresponds to on the back of the panel. And we can see here that the blower motor corresponds to this guy here. So again, those two are the cooling fan and the blower. So check that one there. And if you have a problem, it could be located in that relay and you would simply replace it. Don't go just replacing this until you're certain that that is what it is.